Hey guys, too many cards here with another pack. 1996 SP. Looking for the FX cards out of here. Let's see what we got. Oh shit, Derek Jeter on the back. Little matchup. All right, let's go. There we go, Dennis Martinez. Little David Justice. Nice stuff. Okay, we'll take that. Mr. O'Neill. Oh, there we go. Big Hurt. Mr. Frank Thomas. Cool. Who we got there? Bip Roberts. And a Derek Jeter. Wonder who is on the other side. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're almost at 1,700. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks for watching.